We'll guide you through how to search for files in VS Code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your desktop. You need to look at the sidebar on the left-hand side. Here, you will see an icon that resembles a magnifying glass, which is the search icon. Click on this search icon, and you'll notice a new panel opens up. At the top of this panel, there's a text box labeled Search. This is where you can type the name or part of the name of the file you're looking for. As you start typing, VS Code will immediately begin searching through your open project or workspace and display the results below. If you're looking for something within a specific folder, you can specify that by clicking on the Files to Include input box and typing the folder name. You can also use the Files to Exclude option to refine your search by excluding certain directories. Additionally, VS Code allows you to search using regular expressions or match case-sensitive searches by toggling the respective icons next to the search bar. These can be handy if you're looking for specific patterns or want your search results to be more precise. Once you've found your file, simply click on it from the search results to open it in the main editor window. It's that simple. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.